Welcome to the best picks. The best ringworm treatment is probably one of the most important decisions you will make as a parent, as choosing the right antifungal cream or medication can significantly impact your baby's comfort and speed up recovery. This video will guide you through identifying ringworm in babies, understanding the various treatment options available, and making an informed decision based on your baby's specific needs and your pediatrician's recommendations, ensuring a safe and effective approach to managing this common fungal infection. Number 5. Lotrimin AF Ringworm Cream. Is ringworm making your skin uncomfortable? This cream provides soothing relief from the itch and irritation. It's clinically proven to cure most ringworm infections. Say goodbye to that pesky fungus. Worried about your child's ringworm? It's safe and effective for children over 2 years old. This cream is greaseless, odorless, and won't stain your clothes. It's easy to apply and won't leave a mess. The active ingredient, Clotrimazole, effectively targets the fungus causing the infection, relieving the itch and redness. This antifungal cream is a simple and effective way to treat ringworm and get your skin back to normal. What we like? It's clinically proven to cure most ringworm and is safe for kids over 2. Plus, it's non-staining, so you don't have to worry about it ruining your clothes. If you need a reliable and safe treatment for your child's ringworm, this is a great option. What people say. It works significantly faster than it said it would. I have thick chest hair and didn't even realize I had ringworm on my chest, but within several days of applying this, it was nearly gone. Cleared all my symptoms up in less than a week. It doesn't sting and it's not sticky feeling on your clothes. My daughter is in wrestling, and ringworm is a thing. This seems to knock it out really quickly. We are happy with it. Number 4. Era Organics Healing Ointment. This is a gentle, natural moisturizer, perfect for even the most sensitive skin. It's made with USDA-certified organic ingredients and is safe for babies. It's been approved by the National Eczema Association, dermatologist tested, and pediatrician recommended. You can trust it for your baby's delicate skin. This 100% natural healing ointment provides immediate soothing relief and helps accelerate recovery. It's designed to support long-term skin health. It's a super blend of nature's best soothing ingredients like chamomile, calendula, and colloidal oats. It's effective for eczema, cradle cap, minor wounds, rashes, and more. It's formulated to support overall skin health, not just to treat the itch, redness, and irritation. Give your baby the comfort they deserve. It's proudly made in the USA with sustainably sourced and ethically harvested ingredients. It's free of perfumes, chemicals, parabens, dyes, and useless fillers. What we like? This is an all-natural, USDA-certified organic option that's gentle on even the most sensitive baby skin. It's perfect for soothing irritated skin and promoting healing. If you're looking for a natural and gentle solution for your baby's skin problems, this is the one for you. What people say. I ordered this many years ago and we loved it. We finally got some new and it's working amazing on cuts, scrapes, sores, and other things. I used this on my son's sides. Every time he took a bath over the winter and not once did he have dried skin. It was so bad prior that it would crack and bleed. Fantastic product. The first pick is before I started using it. The second pick is after the first night. You can tell it started to dry out the bumps, and the last pick is currently I've been using it for maybe about 5 days and I apply it whenever I clean his face and whenever it's dry and peeling. He still has some spots but it not nearly as bad as it was. Number 3. Terrasil Clotrimazole Cream. It's a powerful cream that contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients. It provides fast relief from burning, itching, and irritated skin, suitable for all skin types and genders. This cream has been clinically proven to cure most fungal skin infections. It effectively treats athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and more. It uses a unique patented technology with activated minerals and select ingredients. This combination effectively treats, protects, and supports skin healing. It's dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and free of harsh chemicals like parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. It's safe for even the most sensitive skin. It's formulated with select natural ingredients for safe and effective results. It also moisturizes cracking, scaling, and damaged skin, providing soothing relief. What we like? This cream is clinically proven to be effective against most fungal infections and features a unique patented technology for enhanced results. It also contains natural ingredients to soothe irritated skin. If you want a powerful yet gentle treatment with a unique approach, consider this option. What people say. I have ordered this item on multiple occasions and it has become a daily use product. Reduces sweat, it's easy to apply and definitely prevents any unwanted athlete's foot or other infections. Totally recommend. This stuff works. Same active ingredient as all the other name brands, but for some reason, it just works way better and way faster. Not quite as greasy feeling after you rub it in either. Highly recommend. It doesn't smell like chemicals of any kind. Goes on easy and rubs in much better than the other products that use petroleum-based ingredients. Works. Number 2. Phytozine Antifungal Cream. This powerful cream tackles ringworm and athlete's foot effectively. Its unique formula combines clinically proven ingredients with soothing natural oils for fast relief. It's enriched with natural oils like camphor, menthol, tea tree oil, and lavender. These provide a soothing effect while fighting the infection. You'll see visible results in under a week. It's a targeted solution, not a generic cream, for quick and effective treatment. Simply apply it twice daily to clean infected areas. Let it absorb for a few minutes before dressing. It's easy to incorporate into your routine. Apply it to clean, dry skin or scalp. It leaves a refreshing scent and no oily residue, making it a comfortable treatment option. With Phytozine, you can experience fast relief from the discomfort of ringworm and athlete's foot. Get your bottle today. What we like. It provides fast relief and contains natural oils for a soothing effect. It's also easy to apply and won't leave an oily residue. If you need quick relief and prefer a product with natural ingredients, this is a good choice. Number 1. Terrasil Tinea Kit. This 2-product kit combines a powerful cream and a soothing soap to effectively treat various fungal infections. It's clinically proven and made in the USA. The cream contains 1% Clotrimazole and natural ingredients to treat fungal infections. It soothes itching, burning, and redness, while effectively targeting tinea versicolor, ringworm, and athlete's foot. The all-natural soap, enriched with coconut oil and shea butter, gently cleanses and soothes your skin. Daily use helps optimize relief from fungal infections. It features activated minerals, the result of over 20 years of research. These minerals, along with other select ingredients, work together to treat, protect, and support skin healing. It's formulated with all-natural ingredients, free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. Made in the USA to the highest quality standards, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It's also FSA/HSA approved. What we like. This kit includes a powerful tinea cream and a soothing tinea soap, both formulated with natural ingredients. It's effective against various fungal infections and gentle on sensitive skin. If you prefer a holistic approach with both cream and soap for comprehensive treatment, this is a great option. What people say. I ordered another couple of products here on Amazon and never saw any change in my tinea. This did not work overnight, but pretty close. I'd say I used the soap and cream once in the morning and again in the evening for 3 days and it totally cleared up the large patches of tinea I had on my back and abdomen. I stopped using it for a few days just to see how it held up, and I haven't seen any undoing of the treatment so far. This stuff works. Cleared up my son's neck before our eyes. I had the same problem. Gone. This with tea tree shampoo works wonders. This works great. All but my worst spots cleared within 3 to 4 days of using the treatment as described. Wash with soap then apply ointment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.